All right, so I almost forgot. Someone requested crypto coin. I believe it was Stellar XLM. So let me go and find it. So now, which one do I have a proper account here? Yeah, sounds pretty good. So let me just refresh my memory. Okay, so possibility that this was a 1. This is the 2. And this, I'm not sure what is it. Yeah, this was counting. Could it be? No, I think this is. I'm going to invalidate now. Let me check if I don't have another chart here. Okay, I believe this one. It's maybe I'm going to make an hybrid. So this was the ABC for the wave A. Yeah, sounds good. And also we had an A, B, C for the wave 2. So that's working also as well. Then after I did the fib extension, yeah, just don't know why I didn't put it in orange because it makes the life so easier. Okay, so we did reach the 2x. And how did I got that? I just took the length of the wave 1 to the end of the wave 2, made the extension Fibonacci, so we reached the 2x. And now for this correction, well, I don't know where I started there though. Why? Maybe I was aiming for the latest impulsive movement. Yeah, I'm going to take from the beginning to the end. Yeah, because that, you can see that it's been a while I didn't update it. There you go. Okay, so now I can go on the 1 hour and check it out more into details. Maybe 4 hours, because it didn't... Well, it's making really a long correction, right? So let me put that here. And what else? What else? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Honestly, can count this as a wave A, and this is a wave B. So we had 5 wave down for the wave A here. And now we had an A, B, C for the wave B. And I believe now we're working on to this C wave. All right, so I'm going to calculate this potential A wave. Let's see where it landed for the height of this B wave. So I'm just going to take this allegedly away from the beginning to the end. And boom, that's pretty good. I'm going to extend. I'm just gonna to show these are the levels where a B wave, an ideal B wave, it's going to range. Now we know B waves are very hard to gauge, can go much higher, can make a higher B wave. This is why we usually don't trade B waves, because sky is almost the limit. And okay, now I'm just gonna remove the 0.5 fib. You can see that we did reach the 0.618 band on, and now looks like price got rejected. Also, the MA50 didn't stop us, and it maybe acted as a support momentarily, and then now we're falling down. And you can see that we are at the 0.236 fib retracement of this third wave. I just wanna put it a little bit nearer. Okay, so that sounds pretty good. No, didn't want the other one. Just wanna move a little bit more on the side. Okay, so now let's see how. First of all, I want to check, was this a 3-wave movement? So if I say this is the wave 2, this is the A, B, C, can I say that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When if I say that the wave 3 it's in 3 wave moves. So this implies that, you know, I could even add the 0.618, and because it looks like it's diagonal, let me go and check the wave 1 how was formed. Yeah, it's ABC. So officially a diagonal. So this is how deep you can go as a correction, 0.17 cents. Now, do I believe it's going to go there? I don't think so. I don't believe so, but you know, who knows? Market does whatever it pleases itself. So I'm going to take the length of the wave A, and I'm going to add it to the end of the wave B, and I'm going to take my fib settings for the wave C on the left side. Okay, so now these are the levels I can check. Well, let me remove a couple. Well, first of all, 1.618 shouldn't be there. 0.618 already reached. So ideally, the 3 next following levels could be the C wave final destination. Ideally, we're looking for 23 cents 86, but any others of these levels are good to go. Actually, let me put the 1.236 just to see. I was expecting maybe it would go bend on with the 0.5 fib retracement. I want to remove it now. Okay, so I am looking forward anywhere between the 0.23 0.2 seriously 0.382 and 0.5, anywhere here to me it would be a very nice correction. Let's remember though, you know, wave C also don't have to be by the book or follow the rules. You can just make a, you know, just a little bit less than this A wave and it could be completed, right? What can I say? It's really reacting well and fighting against, well, up to lately, the Bitcoin downshift. It could have been worse. I'm just saying, you know, I'm not saying it's the best, but it could have been worse. You can see we lost already 50%, and then you're going to say, oh my goodness, we lost 50%. Okay, but let's see how we gained. Well, 615%. So everything in life has to be made or put in perspective, right? So more than 60% and losing 50%. Yeah, well, to take, we need to give a little bit, right? Once in a while. So this we're giving here. Maybe we're going to give a little bit more, but definitely, if it takes its time, I can really see the MA50, you know, joining the MA, the 0.5 fib retracement, and perhaps even the 1-to-1 ratio at 23.86. So we shall see how long this C wave, anyway, in my opinion, it's unfolding. Let me just check the RSIs on the 4 hours. RSI not reset yet. 8 hours also not reset. 12 hours still have some room to go. So it does go as in a projection that we could go lower. Now, I just want to mention that this could be not finished. It looks finished. This looks like a A, this is a B, and this is a C, but you know, it could be just see, this could be just the A, or doing the B, and we're going to push push the price a little bit higher. So you know, there is still that possibility, even though you know the levels for a B wave have been reached. So we need to see now. And actually, let me go on the 1 hour and let me do something crazy. let's try to attempt to see and do a count. So I believe this it could be the wave 1, this is wave 2, and wave 3 I believe is still ongoing, and eventually we're going to have the 4 and the 5. So the third wave could go much lower. Let me increase the degree so you guys can see more, because I know on the phone it's not easy. Yeah, so I'm going to put that in red. Actually, I'm going to put that in blue so it's easier to see. Yeah, so how about this is a 1, 2, and we are still working on a third wave. Now, if I had to put a trend, I would do something like so. So until we don't break the trend, more likely this is still the third wave ongoing. And after that, we can measure for a fourth wave. I mean, if the price would end now, I mean, I'm saying the downtrend, we would expect the fourth wave level anywhere there. Now, I'm not saying this is started because we never broke this downtrend. So there is no sign actually that we completed this third wave. I believe we are still on the third wave. So I'm going to remove it. Doesn't even make sense to show you to you guys. All right, that's another more than 10 minutes video. I'm sorry about that. Well, to be fair, it's a really long time I didn't do a chart on Stellar. So I believe once in a while it's good to do a deep dive and see where we are. So to just resume, nothing alarming. I believe we are into this C wave. Targets could be as low as 2386 if I take the length A wave to the C wave. We do have the next level that we need to check. It's the 0.382. 28 cents 21. It's the next level that we need to see if price goes there and if price react to that level. And almost at the same level is the 0.786 wave A to wave C. So 27.78 cents, very close. In a case we fail that, then we do have the 0.886, 25.87, and below that it would be the perfect A to C 1-to-1 ratio. So we're talking about 23 cents 86. In a case we fail that as well, then we have the 0.5 fib retracement at 21 cents. Let's round it out to 22 cents. All right, so this is pretty much all on Stellar. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And yeah, don't forget, I just started the Discord channel, so if you wanna go and give it a try. And that's about it for today. Have a nice day. Bye.